Hello, we have another guitar unboxing video today. Today we're unboxing a Fender. This one is made in Japan too. So, ended up selling two guitars. One was a Telecaster player model, had a lacquered fretboard that I didn't really care for. It was maple. And I also sold an Epiphone that was very close to an Epiphone I already have, which is an '89 Korean Epiphone. So I went out to Fort Wayne and picked this guy up. So we have a gig bag. There's the Fender gig bag. Let's throw this on the bench and open it up. First, let's see what kind of case candy we have. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. Do we have anything? Alright. We got the Sweetwater inspection. And we have a couple Allen wrenches. That appears to be it, unless there's something inside, but let's get to the guitar. Okay, here is the guitar. This is a Fender Japanese vintage modified 60s Telecaster in Fire Mist Gold. Here's a little close-up. Okay, let's throw it on the bench here, and we'll get a little bit of close-up. Here's the close-up of the Fender Japanese vintage modified 60s Telecaster in Fire Mist Gold. It's the only color you can get this in. Body is basswood, maple neck, rosewood fretboard. It's got locking vintage tuners, which is kind of cool. Also, the Fender logo is the same color as the body. Hope that's coming through. Okay, down here we've got a four-way switch, not your typical three-way switch. So basically, position 1 is bridge, position 2 both in parallel, position 3 neck, position 4 both pickups in series. It's also got a push-pull for in and out of phase in position 2 and 4. Another cool thing about the Japanese Tellies that I learned is it has this kind of cut right here for the output jack, whereas the American ones are rounded. This has that little kind of an angle right there, which is pretty neat. Okay, that's it for the front. Let's take a look at the back. Here's the back. You see the serial number is right there on the plate rather than up on the headstock. Made in Japan. There's your maple neck. It's a soft V neck, so it kind of fills the hand out while having softer shoulders. And there's the locking tuners. Okay. Let's get ready for the demo. Alright, let's do some clean tones. We're plugged straight in to the Marshall DSL 401. We're going to start off in the bridge position. parallel. Out of phase. Neck. Both in series. That is much louder. Out of phase. Distortion on it. Let's try a little distortion. Straight into the Marshall. Start the bridge. Together in parallel. Out of phase. Neck. And together in series. And out of phase. That's it for the unboxing and demo of the Fender JV Modified 60s Telecaster. I think I'm really going to enjoy playing this one. The soft V neck fits my hand great. Fretboard, I like it so much better than the Tele that I sold to buy this one. Pickup sounded great. There was no flaws in the guitar out of the box. All I had to do was lower the action and it was ready to go. So, thanks for watching as usual. I appreciate it. And if you haven't, like and subscribe. We have more guitar stuff coming in the future.